name's Scott Kiser. I own Laser Maintenance Group and Innovative Laser Design, conventional small business company. I've been doing this for 25 years. Your laser cutting, when you're cutting right, it's real quiet. You just hear barely a puff of air and you think, oh, that's so tame and that's so safe. And that gap between the tip and the surface of the metal is incredibly violent. It's just evaporating the metal away. So the reason why they want us to have two hands out here is because we're going to shoot through a piece of 1/2 inch acrylic. Same shot, the same power, the same time as what we're doing our tape shot with to center our lens, just to give you an idea of what's going on there. Now this is a piece of 1/2 inch acrylic. It's definitely harder than fingers. Here we go. See it shot all the way through, and that's all the bigger the beam is. And there it is coming out the back. This is why we have two hands out here. Now this used to be a problem on the older contact heads, and people would use two fingers and hold two fingers under here, which I'm a huge fan of Darwin, but even then I had to say something. If your finger slides and it'll go right through, and you got bone all the way up to there. There's so many guys that have nicks through the side of their fingers. One guy got hit in the top of his nail and it split his fingernail up the middle. From what I understand, it feels like somebody drove a nail through your finger.